Wednesday's windstorm ripped the roof off of Corvallis' district building, leaving remains like this scattered all around the grounds.
Metal was ripping off and flying around, so much so that it was crossing the East Side Highway and into campus.
That debris closed a section of East Side Highway, but that wasn't all.
2 power lines snapped at our primary school, fell into the street, which immediately shut down the traffic flow.
As a precaution, Corvallis Primary School was evacuated, and all students were gathered in the high school.
I'm super proud of our administrative staff and our teachers and all of our families. We were able to basically move 500 kids and personnel, reunify in the high school.
While the exact wind impacts couldn't have been predicted, Superintendent Pete Joseph says preparation was key in keeping students and staff safe.
Already had our command center, our incident command team put together in the morning. We met at 8:45. We were ready to go.
Once there was a break in the wind gusts, everyone was sent home for the day.
We had one artery or thoroughfare coming in from Woodside 93. That was the only street that we could use. So we had to do a pretty quick release to get kids home and safely with families.
And they'll be remote learning for the rest of the week until Christmas break. But for those with power still knocked out, students have another option.
Not only do we have remote instruction within our Google Classroom, we also have those exact assignments printed off, ready to go.
While the damage is still being assessed, Joseph is proud of how his community responded in the stressful circumstances.
Corvallis Fire, City of Hamilton Police, our SRO, and Ravalli County Police. I mean, it was a coordinated effort. Feel really good about the communication and the way we attacked it together.
In Corvallis, Emily Brown, MTN News.